Let's see how to open YouTube Studio app on your MacBook. For now, I'm using MacBook Neo. It's same for all model MacBook. Let's start the process. You just open any browser. I open Safari and click the search bar and type YT Studio and search. And you just right click here over the first link and open in new tab. Open the new tab. Okay. Now what you have to do is you can switch the account. You just click the profile, or if you see the sign in, you just sign into your YouTube account and click switch account and change the account. For me it's this account. Now click file and here come to add to dock and here assign the name. For me it's YT Studio, the YouTube Studio. If you have the picture of YT Studio, you can add. For now, I'm going to download the picture. So you just type YT Studio here. Images is open this. Okay. Now click that and downloads. There you go. Select, choose, add. It's done. Now close this page and boom. Here you can see YT Studio. Just open the app and this will directly open your YT Studio app. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about YouTube, you need to watch this playlist.